Adding a chat box to your Streamlabs OBS live stream is straightforward and has been made even easier with recent updates. To begin, open the dashboard by selecting the icon on the left hand side labeled Dashboard. This will open a web browser. From there, go to the widgets on the left hand side and select Chat Box. On the far right. If you want to use your chat box on another program, you will find a URL link here that you can copy. Streamlabs offers multiple themes for the chat box such as Twitch, Clean, Fox, Twitch Old School and Chunky. You can also enable features like moderator badges, subscriber badges, better TTV emotes, and franker face zoom emotes. The chat box's background color is transparent during the live stream but will display a solid color when editing. You can customize the text color and adjust the size to suit your preference. Additionally, you can decide how long messages remain visible on the live stream using the Hide Message After slider, which ranges from 20 to 195 seconds. A chat delay slider is also available, allowing adjustments of up to 6 seconds. Streamlabs allows you to hide specific chatters by entering their usernames, one per line, or blacklist certain words. For advanced users, custom HTML, CSS, and JavaScript options are also available. Once all settings are configured, press Save Settings, close the browser, and return to Streamlabs OBS. To add the chat box to your sources, click the plus icon under Sources, select Chat Box, the third option down, and click Add Source. You can rename it and adjust its settings such as visual options, font, and dimensions. For example, you can set the width and height to custom values like 400 x 600. After finalizing the settings, press Done and you can reposition and resize the chat box on your stream. Setting up a chat box on Streamlabs OBS is that simple. If you found this video informative, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Until next time, goodbye.